Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In today's video, we're continuing our discussion on what you should know about running out of gas. We've covered some important basics, and now we'll explore more insights to help you handle this situation effectively. Use fuel management tools. Modern technology offers several tools and apps designed to help you track and manage your fuel consumption. These tools can give you peace of mind and make fuel management easier. Car dashboards. Newer cars often come with built-in fuel trackers that provide real-time data on your gas levels and estimated mileage. Smartphone apps. Apps like GasBuddy and Fuely can help you monitor your fuel consumption, find nearby gas stations, and even compare fuel prices. GPS systems. Many GPS systems have features that alert you when you're running low on fuel and show you the closest gas stations. Using these tools can take the guesswork out of managing your fuel supply, helping you stay on top of your fuel levels effortlessly. Plan your route. Planning your route with fuel stations in mind is especially important for long trips. It ensures you won't find yourself in a situation where help is miles away. Research ahead. Before you set out, research your route and identify gas stations along the way. Make a note of their locations, especially in remote areas. Use GPS. Utilize your GPS to find the nearest gas stations during your trip. Many GPS devices and apps allow you to search for fuel stations specifically. Rest stops. Plan to stop at regular intervals to check and refuel your tank. This is particularly important during long drives when you may be traveling through areas with fewer gas stations. By incorporating these tips into your travel planning, you can make sure you never run low on fuel, no matter where your journey takes you. What to keep in your car in case of emergency. Being prepared for emergencies on the road is crucial. Having the right items in your car can make a significant difference if you run out of gas or face other unexpected challenges. Let's dive into some essential items you should always have in your vehicle. Essential supplies. Keeping essential supplies in your car ensures you're ready for any situation. These items can help you stay safe and get back on the road quickly. Gas can. Always have a gas can in your trunk. If you run out of fuel, a gas can makes it easier to get gas from a nearby station. Emergency kit. An emergency kit is a must-have. It should include a flashlight, batteries, first aid supplies, and some basic tools. These items can be lifesavers in various situations. Extra fuel. If possible, keep a small container of extra fuel. This can be especially useful on long trips or in remote areas where gas stations are few and far between. Blanket and water. Staying warm and hydrated is important if you're stranded for a while. A blanket and bottled water should be part of your emergency supplies. Safety triangles. These help make your car more visible to other drivers if you need to pull over. Set them up to alert oncoming traffic and prevent accidents. Contact information. Knowing who to call in an emergency can save time and stress. Keeping the right contact information at hand is key. Roadside assistance. Have the contact number for a roadside assistance service. Many insurance companies offer this service, so check if it's included in your policy. Store the number in your phone and write it down in your glove compartment for easy access. Local towing services. Research and save contact numbers for local towing services. This can be especially helpful if you often travel through different areas. A quick call can get your car to a safe location or a nearby gas station. Emergency contacts. Include contact details for friends or family members who can help in a pinch. It's comforting to know you can call someone who cares about your safety. By keeping these items and contact information in your car, you're better prepared to handle emergencies on the road. These simple steps can help you stay safe and get back on track quickly. Running out of gas is more than just a hassle, it's a safety risk and can cause serious damage to your vehicle. By understanding these risks, you can take proactive steps to avoid this situation. If you do find yourself out of gas, knowing immediate actions to take can keep you safe and get help quickly. Regularly checking your fuel levels and using modern tools can prevent the issue from happening in the first place. Keeping essential supplies and emergency contacts in your car makes you always prepared. Stay vigilant and make these practices a habit to keep your journeys smooth and trouble-free. This simple step can be a lifesaver, especially during long trips. Before you drive, check your fuel level before you start your car. Make it part of your routine, just like checking your mirrors and seatbelt. While driving, keep an eye on your fuel gauge during your drive. If you notice it's getting low, find a gas station sooner rather than later. Weekly checks. Even if you're not planning a long trip, check your fuel level at least once a week. It's a quick and easy task that can prevent a lot of trouble. By making these checks a regular habit, you can avoid the stress and danger of running out of gas unexpectedly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.